Today I'm going to be doing a fall decorate and clean with me. I have my fall shirt, like colors on, fall makeup. I have all my fall stuff right here that I'm going to show you in a bit. So let's get started. This is what everything is looking like. I have my 3 fall pillows, and I also have buffalo check pillows that are already on the couch. We kind of use those like all year round. But I have this wreath that I made from Dollar Tree. I made this from Dollar Tree and the pumpkin. And then just some candles from Walmart. So most of my stuff is from either Dollar Tree, Hobby Lobby, or I think that's it. Yeah, or some things that I got for free or things that I made, like this pumpkin sign. I made this one. We got this from my mother-in-law, and then Dollar Tree. The flowers are all from Dollar Tree, except for these greenery. These are actually real. They came with the flowers that my husband gave me a few weeks ago, and I just dried them, and I now use them as greenery. Excuse me. This, my coffee bar. Unfortunately, I can't paint it yet, so it's gonna clash with everything, I feel like. So just ignore that. So just everything, an overview of everything. I got this little cute like amber glass for free. So did I get this and those wicker things and this wooden thing. This is from Dollar Tree. So if you have any questions on where anything is from, just comment down below and I will reply back to y'all and tell y'all where it's from if I can. So this is everything back here, over here too. These, we got these for free and I just painted them. So okay, so let's get started.
lose my breath whenever I see you. You stole my heart, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon needs the sun, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire. I don't know what I'd do without you. You make me smile, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon is the snow, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire. I just want you, I just need you. I don't know what it is you do. I just want you, I just need you. I don't know what it is you do. I just wanna love you, just